are going to have cooking time. These days, apples are really yummy. Today, we are going to make apple donuts. Apple donuts? It sounds amazing. What do we need today? We need apples, cream cheese, chocolate balls, nuts, sprinkles, cutting board, and knife. Great job, everybody! First, we are going to cut the apple. We are going to slice the top and the bottom from the apple. When you use the knife, you have to be careful. Okay, everybody, promise. Cut the apple. Cut it once again. So we made 4 pieces of apple, and now we're going to make a donut shape. You know, the donut shape is circle and it has small hole inside. If you have a cookie cutter, you can make small hole much more easily. If you don't have cookie cutter, you can use the bottle cap, like Rose. Ta-da! See, it's like a donut. Let's make another hole. Uh-oh. The last one is broken. Oh my. Let's make 3 apple donuts. Okay, we prepared 3 pieces of apple, and now we are going to put some cream cheese into the bowl. Open it. Wow, it smells delicious. Okay, I'm going to scoop.
1 scoop. Another scoop.
And now we are going to add few drops of food coloring into the cream cheese. The color will be changed. Look, it's pink and blue color. Wow, we made sky blue color. And the last color is looks nice! Great job, everybody! We made green, blue, and the pink color cream cheese. Now, this is the most interesting part! Decorating time! I'm going to spread the cream cheese on the apple. Look, it looks like strawberry donuts. Blue color cream cheese spread on it. And green color. Ta-da! I made blue, green, and pink color apple donuts. And decorate with sprinkles and nuts. Wow, we made it! I made green, pink, and blue donuts and put some sprinkles on blue donuts, nuts on pink donuts and chocolate balls on green donuts. It looks pretty and I want to try it. I want to pick blue one. Look! It tastes like apple. And I can also feel the cream cheese taste. Awesome, everybody! Did you enjoy today's cooking time? It looks like a donut, but it doesn't taste like a donut. It tastes like apple. You can also try in your home with your mommy and daddy too. And now, it's time to say